The Goodman GSXC20 Series is a 20-SEER split-system air conditioning unit that experienced refrigerant leak issues, primarily involving R410A refrigerant. These leaks typically occurred due to manufacturing defects, particularly inadequate welding on copper tubing at the condenser coil and suction line junctions. Key indicators of these leaks include a drop in pressure below 100 psi, compressor failures, and increased energy bills. Several detection methods can pinpoint leaks. Pressure testing uses a manifold gauge set to measure low side pressure. Ultrasonic detectors identify high-frequency sounds from escaping gas. Dye injection uses fluorescent dyes that reveal leaks under UV light. Electronic leak detectors are sensitive to refrigerant vapors, detecting down to zero point 0.1 atts per year. Regular inspections can help catch these issues early. Fixes for refrigerant leaks in GSXC20 units involve vacuuming the system to remove air and moisture, repairing welds using silver soldering, and recharging with refrigerant. Prevention includes annual inspections to check for issues and maintaining proper airflow around the unit to reduce condensation that can cause corrosion. A nationwide settlement in 2024 established funds for repairs or replacements of affected GSXC20 units installed between 2018 and 2024. Units manufactured after mid-2024 feature redesigned suction lines with reinforced welds and integrated leak sensors for better reliability. The HVAC industry is shifting towards eco-friendly refrigerants, such as R32, which have lower environmental impact. Future trends include AI-driven predictive maintenance to anticipate issues and blockchain-based tracking for refrigerant usage compliance. Consumers can stay informed through online forums and should ensure HVAC installers have proper certifications for reliable service.